Hey everyone, welcome back to our series Women's Wellness Balancing Hormones for Peak Fitness. Today in our episode 5 of this series, we are discussing a topic that affects many individuals worldwide, thyroid health and how the right fitness routine can unlock your body's metabolic power. What is the thyroid? Before we jump into deeper concepts related to thyroid issues, let's start with a quick overview of what thyroid is and why it is so important for your health. The thyroid is a small butterfly-shaped gland at the base of your neck. Despite its size, it plays a massive role in regulating your metabolism, energy levels, and even mood by producing its key hormones T3, which is triiodothyronine, and T4, which is thyroxine. Essentially, these hormones control how your body uses energy. In short, they dictate your metabolism. When your thyroid is out of balance, whether it's underactive, which is hypothyroidism, or overactive, which is hyperthyroidism, it can cause symptoms of different systems of the body. Research on thyroid health and exercise. Let us now talk about the effect of exercise on thyroid health. Studies show that regular physical activity profoundly impacts thyroid function and metabolism. A study published in the Journal of Endocrinology and Metabolism found that exercise can enhance thyroid hormone levels, particularly T3 and T4, by improving circulation and stimulating hormone production. Another research study from the American Journal of Physiology revealed that moderate intensity exercise can help normalize thyroid function in people with hypothyroidism by improving energy expenditure and reducing the symptoms of fatigue and depression. Achieving fitness goals. Thyroid conditions can make it challenging to reach your fitness goals. Let us see how one can tackle this. When you have hypothyroidism and your thyroid is underactive, it slows down your metabolism, making it harder to lose weight and often leads to fatigue. But don't worry, here are a few ways you can resolve this problem. Low to moderate cardio. Focus on walking, cycling, and swimming. According to a study published in the International Journal of Obesity, regular cardio can boost metabolism and aid weight loss even when metabolism is sluggish. Strength training. Lifting weights 3 to 4 times a week can help build muscle, increasing your resting metabolic rate. Research from the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology suggests that resistance training is particularly effective for those with hypothyroidism because it targets muscle loss, a common symptom of the condition. Next is hyperthyroidism, where your thyroid is overactive and speeds up your metabolism. While this might sound good, it can lead to unwanted weight loss, muscle weakness, and a rapid heart rate. In such cases, opting for a gentle cardio and yoga can help reduce stress and also help in balancing your metabolism. A study in the Journal of Thyroid Research found that gentle forms of exercise help stabilize heart rate and improve muscle function without overstressing the body. Focus on maintaining muscle mass with lighter weights and more repetition. This helps maintain muscle mass, can prevent muscle wasting, which is a common problem during hyperthyroidism. Diet and supplementation for thyroid health. Of course, no discussion about thyroid health would be complete without mentioning diet. Certain nutrients like iodine, selenium, and zinc are critical for thyroid functions. Ensure you eat plenty of seafood, nuts, and leafy greens to support your thyroid. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that people with thyroid disorders can benefit from a diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods, which can help reduce symptoms and improve overall thyroid function. So whether you have hypothyroidism, hyperthyroidism, or just want to support your overall thyroid health, the right exercise and nutrition can make a world of difference. Remember, it's about finding the right balance for your body, strength training to boost your metabolism, gentle cardio to improve your energy levels, and the right foods to support your thyroid function. Thank you for tuning into this episode of Women's Wellness, Balancing Hormones for Peak Fitness. Hopefully, these insights into managing thyroid health through the right fitness routine and nutrition will empower everyone to take control of their well-being. It's all about understanding the body, making smart adjustments, and staying committed to a balanced approach. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more episodes in the series. Any questions or personal experiences can be shared in the comments below. We would like to hear from you. Stay tuned for our next episode, and until then, take care of yourselves and keep moving.